What is your name? My name is Bijoy Teron. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Karbi Anglong. Where do you live? I live in Ilalung, Sarth Fanjovich. Why do you need this job? I need this job, I need the money. I want to support my family. Can you work hard? Yes, I work hard every day. I always do my best. Why should we hire you? I'm nice, I'm funny, I'm honest and responsible too. If you hire me today, I'll give my best for you. I need this job, I need money. I work hard and I'm funny. Please hire me, give me a chance. I'll do my best and help your company. Are you ready to start? Yes, I'm ready today.